Pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media ang naging pahayag ni Direk Paulo Valenciano, ang anak ni Mr. Pure Energy Gary. Ito'y matapos niyang sabihin talaga ang pangalan ni Rico Blanco. Kaugnay ito ng naganap na music festival, kung saan isa ang singer na si Rico Blanco sa nasabi nga pong guest doon. Ito ay ang JBL Soundfest, kung saan ilan sa mga nandoon ay ang Cup of Joe, Rico Blanco, Horizon, December Avenue, Flo G, Ashtin, Olviga, and Sian Archer at Cat DJ. Ito ay free concert pass by participating JBL products and register at jblpromo.com.ph until December 6, 2025, 12 noon. Plus get raffle entries for a chance to win big in the JBL Unwrap, the Unexpected promo. At ang nasabi nga pong direktor ng music festival na ito ay si Paulo Valenciano. Wala namang nakakaalam ng problema not until narito ang naging post ng nasabing direktor. Mula sa kanyang social media, "Tonight I lost complete control of our event, which caused a major delay and added 2 extra hours of work to an already exhausted team. I sincerely apologize to our client JBL and to my brothers from Cup of Joe who had to be picked up by motorcycles in traffic jams just to make their new call time. This was my first year with JBL Sound Festo, so I found this incredibly frustrating. We learn new things every day, and I know I still have a lot to improve. To everyone who was there, super sorry. And to Rico, my hero, while I sincerely wish you the best, I've learned that we're simply not meant to work together again." Malinaw ang naging pahayag na ito ng nasabi nga pong anak ng Pure Energy na si Paulo, na mukhang ayaw na nga niyang makasama ang magaling din na singer na si Rico Blanco and songwriter sa isang event. Anyway, mula naman sa naging post ng PEP sa kanilang social media, Facebook, ilan sa mga netizen ang nagpahayag ng kanilang opinyon. Mula kay Perlas Apas, Ania TBH, "I don't know what happened, for me lang ha. This is my point of view. Both are professionals and it would have been better if name dropping had been avoided. People will always have their own interpretations, and mentioning names may only lead to unnecessary misunderstanding. Spread love and kindness." Sino naman ang isa? Actually, sa mga ads ni JBL, ang akala ko din talaga si Rico ang finale kasi mukha niya yung nasa gitna eh. So I did some online search at wala akong makitang reklamo mula sa mga nanood ng concert. Sa ilang ilan, Rico Blanco is professional. I remember their band River Maya having a photo shoot with NU107, and he came in early and he even got a little pissed off because some of the members didn't his punctual. Kay Direk John Prats, walang mga ganyang issue, trabaho lang, chill lang, mga galawan, everybody happy. At TBH, "I don't know what happened, for me lang ha, akala ko coffee shop yung Cup of Joe, bakit inaaway ni RB?" Anyway, stress, si Gary B na lang daw ang ilagay. But anyway, mula sa isa pang netizen, sinabi niyang, "I'm a fan of both RB and COJ. Already saw them perform live, magkasunod din sila noon. Both are magaling talaga, walang duda. Mas nainis ako sa direktor na nag-take ko noon ng accountability pero may name drop sa dulo. Para bang kasalanan ko, pero si ano kasi, causing lang ng gulo sa fans ng both sides. For me lang, hindi naman siguro ganun ka-in-demand si RB until now if may ugali siyang pa-star. Magaling siyang mag-connect sa crowd pag nagpe-perform. Si OJ naman yung mga boses ang swabe. Maybe may miscommunication at walang personal na kasalanan yung both performers." Anyway, yan ang ating showbiz love update. Ano masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.